Hello, and welcome to the AveriSource use case video series. This video covers application maintenance and optimization. Today, we'll overview using the AveriSource platform to analyze your mainframe and mid-range applications for maintenance and optimization. In most cases, those doing the analysis would be developers, QA engineers, or architects planning a project. They would use the AveriSource platform to gain the critical insights and functionality from the current system and plan what components or functions need modification or repair. To execute this process, we'll use the AveriSource platform, including Analyze for optimization, technical debt reduction, and business rule analysis. Discover for process identification to understand the application architecture, data access patterns, and data element usage. Inventory to determine missing and unreferenced items, use of platform utilities and third-party products, and Scan to qualify and count content and size of the portfolio. As noted in prior videos, Scan is our free pre-project portfolio assessment product. Clients and service providers run this for project planning and staffing determination. For any project, whether it be daily maintenance or application reengineering, you need to start with as complete an analysis repository as possible. The AveriSource inventory helps in that process and identifies not just missing or unreferenced items, but also platform utilities and third-party products that may need consolidation, removal, or replacement, showing where they're referenced, down to the line of code for context analysis. This helps to understand the portfolio and complete the repository for more thorough analysis. We'll start with Discover Process Identification. When we first parse the code, we index the components and assign generic process descriptions. You can download the template, update the descriptions with business functions, application or support groups, project priorities, or any identifier that helps with process teams or relevant segregation. This helps identify components related to certain applications and enables faster response for maintenance tasks. AveriSource Discover provides application overviews in the form of call chain diagrams showing the flow of executed modules, the utilities and files referenced, and the copybooks or imported code. Typically, maintenance tasks are related to data elements, updating calculations, expanding fields, or manipulation of the data, for instance. Using the Discover Data Dictionary, you can select definitions or references and filter by the variable name you're seeking. This provides a list of components referencing that element. Then you can view the statements referenced and determine if a change is warranted. As appropriate, you can see all connections to the components referencing the data element and determine if they're relevant for maintenance assignment. To see a component's connections, the connections report enables you to filter by the selected component to see its list of connections. This report shows the connected component children, their component type, and connection type. The dependency view allows you to select priority components and generate a cross-reference report for the dependencies of those components. Discover data lineage views enable understanding references from the data perspective, showing data operations and cross-references, and data structures or record layout showing data elements, element types, and whether they're referenced in the program. Understanding these reference and usage patterns can help accelerate maintenance. The data source usage and data source files map views show components referencing the data sources in question. When optimizing applications in place on the legacy platform, using AveriSource Analyze can greatly help in reducing or eliminating the technical debt in your core business applications. The analysis code block and file comparison view identifies 10 or more lines of code either within a program or across programs that match 70% or more. This enables identification of similar code that may cause maintenance issues, and that could be candidates for consolidation or removal, or dead code in the form of unreferenced paragraphs. Flowcharts enable application flow understanding, with drill down into routines and down to the line of code for contextual analysis. Analyze enables you to identify and validate 12 types of business rules by identifiers like logical file names or variables, data sources or structures, and provides rules analysis within programs. The business rules view enables rule candidate analysis on variables, data sources, and data structures, identifying rule sets or the statements that must be executed as true to get to the candidate statement being analyzed. The rule tree view provides the logical flow of conditionals or rule candidates, and the routines flow shows the logical flow of paragraphs within a program. The definition view shows variable definitions, and the reference view shows program references to those variables and logical file names. Using the Download a Spreadsheet button, you can download the business rule information to Excel. This provides the same information in greater detail. You can see the same views as tabs in the Excel workbook. The business rule sheet enables business or code analysts to review rule candidate statements and provide English translations to the technical code snippets for better understanding, extracting, and loading into business rule engines. The glossary page provides explanations and definitions of columns and the 12 types of rules identified. Back in Analyze, we not only identify rules within programs, but across programs called rule chaining, such as within a job stream or call chain. The Analyze sequence diagram shows interactions across components and data sets and helps understanding of activity flow. As you can see, the AveriSource platform greatly accelerates application maintenance and optimization analysis tasks. So, why not start today for free with AveriSource Scan? Contact sales@averisource.com for a demo or proof of concept in your environment. Thanks for your time. Join us for other use case videos in this series on our YouTube channel.